Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to disable linked devices on WhatsApp and secure your WhatsApp account. Let's dive right in. First things first, why is it important to manage your linked devices on WhatsApp? Well, if someone has access to your WhatsApp through a linked device, they can see all your messages and personal information. So, it's crucial to regularly check and manage which devices are linked to your account. Alright, let's get started with how to check which devices are linked to your WhatsApp account. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Linked Devices. Here you'll see a list of the devices currently linked to your WhatsApp account. To unlink a device, simply tap on the device you want to remove and select Logout. Tap on the device. Whatever you want to remove, simply do that. And this will immediately log that device out of your WhatsApp account. Now that we've unlinked any unwanted devices, let's make sure your WhatsApp account is secure. First, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Go back to the settings menu, then go to Account and select two-step verification. Tap on Turn On and create a 6-digit PIN. You can also add an email address to recover your PIN if you forget it. Also, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. Updates often include important security patches. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and secure.